The game just changed. What's up? Think different, family. Today we're talking about something that could literally rewrite human history. On February 16th, 2026, the UK's NHS just launched AlphaOnco AI trials. And we're not talking about incremental progress, we're talking about a 95% tumor elimination rate using AI-powered nanobots delivered by drones. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now to 1,000 patients with brain and pancreatic cancers, two of the deadliest forms of the disease. Big Pharma's been selling us treatments for decades, but what happens when the cure doesn't need their pills? What is AlphaOnco AI and how does it work? AlphaOnco isn't your typical cancer treatment. This is artificial intelligence meets nanotechnology at a level we've never seen before. The system uses advanced AI algorithms to predict tumor behavior and growth patterns with unprecedented accuracy, then deploys microscopic nanobots directly to the cancer sites. These nanobots target and destroy malignant cells while leaving healthy tissue untouched, solving one of chemotherapy's biggest problems, collateral damage. The delivery method? Drone-deployed doses that reach patients faster than traditional hospital logistics, cutting wait times from weeks to hours. The results that have everyone talking. The trial data is absolutely mind-blowing. 95% accuracy in detecting and eliminating tumors in preliminary tests. We're seeing patients with aggressive brain cancers and notoriously treatment-resistant pancreatic cancers getting real results, conditions that traditionally have survival rates under 10%. Even Elon Musk jumped on this, tweeting about Humanity 2.0, which tells you this isn't just medical progress. This is a paradigm shift. The first 1,000 patients started treatment today, and the medical community is watching with bated breath to see if these lab results translate to real-world survival rates. Big Pharma's billion-dollar problem. Here's where it gets interesting for those of us who think different. The global cancer treatment market is worth over $200 billion annually. Traditional cancer drugs like chemotherapy and targeted therapies keep patients in treatment cycles for months or years, generating continuous revenue streams for pharmaceutical giants. But what happens when a single-shot AI cure eliminates the need for all that? Stock prices for major oncology drug makers have already started showing volatility, and industry lobbyists are reportedly meeting with regulators to discuss safety concerns. The question isn't whether AlphaOnco works, it's whether the system will allow it to disrupt their cash cow. The risks nobody's talking about. Before we get too hyped, let's keep it real. This technology is uncharted territory with serious unknowns. Neural hacking, unintended mutations, and long-term effects of nanobots remaining in the body are all legitimate concerns that need years of data to fully understand. There's also the ethical dimension. Who gets access to this cure, and at what cost? If this becomes another luxury treatment only available to the wealthy, while millions die from treatable cancers, we haven't solved anything. We've just created a new form of medical inequality. The AI also operates in ways that even its creators don't fully understand, raising questions about accountability when things go wrong. The AlphaOnco AI trial represents a potential turning point in cancer treatment, with 95% accuracy rates that could make traditional chemotherapy obsolete within a decade. However, the real battle isn't just medical, it's economic and political, as entrenched pharmaceutical interests face existential threats to their business models. While the technology offers unprecedented hope for cancer patients, critical questions about safety, accessibility, and long-term effects remain unanswered. This is either the beginning of humanity's victory over one of our oldest killers, or a cautionary tale about moving too fast with technology we don't fully understand. Stay vigilant. Do your own research and remember, the biggest breakthroughs always face the biggest resistance from those who profit from the status quo.
Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your perspective in the comments because your voice matters in this conversation. If you're ready to level up with more content like this, make sure you're subscribed. And hey, be that person who shares knowledge. Send this to someone who's on the same journey. Let's grow together.
Impossible is just an opinion. Benny B, PCE.